In this video, we are going to see how we can enter a purchase invoice of item against new vendor. So we have the transaction here of 9th of January, which says purchase of following items from Mr. Matthew, which is a new vendor, and the rest of procedure is same. So let's quickly add this. We have already added this bill. Just click on quick create, or we can create the bill from here as well. Click here. I'll just straight away write Mr. Matthew name, Matthew. No results found. Let's create a new vendor. First name is Matthew. But just remember that we only need to fill in the compulsory fields and that's it. So rest of all fields, I'll keep it as it is. Just to be quick, click save. Let's enter any bill number. Bill date is 9th of January. Payment terms is due on receipt, so due date is same. In subject, we can just enter these details right here. And let's move on to the items. First item is Corolla windscreen. Quantity is 50. Rate is 400 and this makes the total to 20,000. Next one we have is Civic headlights. Quantity is 30 and rate is 150. Let's move to the next line, and next one we have is Prius filters. So here quantity is 100 and rate is 50. And the total of this is 5,000. So let's check the overall amount: 20,000, 4,500 and 5,000, 20,000, 4,500 and 5,000. This makes the total to 29,500. All set. If you want to mention this same narration in the notes, you can do that, or you can attach the physical bill here as well. After that, you can click on save as open, and immediately it will show you all bill summary here. You can see the physical bill. And if you want to check the journal entry effect, just click on the three dots and click on view journal. So inventory asset is debit and credit is accounts payable. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.